how to use Firebase database for your website. I'm going to tell you how to use Firebase database for your website. First, go to the Firebase console, create a new project, and then click on Build and then Real-Time Database or Firestore Database, depending on which one you prefer. After setting up, you'll get a configuration snippet with your API key and project details. Copy that snippet and paste it in your website's HTML or JavaScript file to connect your site to Firebase. Next, initialize Firebase in your code using the provided script. Then call the database methods to write and read data. For example, you can push new data with a simple set or add function, and you can display live updates on your site using onSnapshot for Firestore or onValue for real-time database. Don't forget to adjust your database rules in the Firebase console to control who can read or write. Keep it secure before going public. Once that's done, deploy your site and your website is now fully connected to Firebase database